Define chart of accounts. Define chart of accounts. What is the chart of account? Chart of account is nothing but list of GL accounts. If you go to OB13, take the new entries. So here in chart of accounts, we have three chart of accounts are there. One is normal or day-to-day operational chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, and country-specific chart of accounts. So country-specific chart of accounts we will maintain in the company code level. So this is a group chart of accounts, and we will not maintain as of now. So create a chart of accounts. So GIP. GIP COA, and maintain language is English. So list of GL account length is I am taking as 6. So up to 10 we can take 2 digits. It allow. You can see. Command 2. If you give 11, enter a valid value. You can see this error is triggering. Enter a valid value. So take it as 6 and group chart of accounts is empty. Just click here and save. So if we go to assign this chart of accounts to company code, our company code OB62. So here our company code is GIP and chart of account is GIP. Just save here. Here there is a alternate chart of accounts is there. Click on here, functional F1. This is used for the alternate chart of account enable to additional accounts, the structure different from the transaction. This usage is optional only necessary of chart of accounts. You are using is not all for local reporting purpose. This is not a operational chart of account. This is a country specific chart of accounts. Okay. Normally we will assign here. If you don't know something, you can click here. You can check from here. A functional F1. Click on functional F1, and you can give SAP provide the information here. Okay. Stop recording.